Young Haseyo Chainaman, D Shandefni Da. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. Today, I am unboxing my Ricky's Cold Crushes for August 2018. As usual, I will leave all the information down below about Ricky's Cold Crushes. Let's go ahead and get started. I believe Ricky's Cold Crushes, they are now $14.99 a month. You can only pay for this box monthly. And it is, I got my scissors here, so I'm not struggling with this tape, y'all. Let me just cut this open right quick. It's, it's a makeup and beauty subscription box. And the best thing about Ricky's is this. If you are a subscriber to the box, you get 25% off of anything on their website, no coupon needed. So that is awesome. So if you see something that you like in the box and you want to buy it, you can go to the website and purchase it. I know that Ricky's is located in New York City, and it's a really big makeup store. If you love makeup and hair care and all that stuff and skincare, I mean, it's wall to wall to wall to wall makeup. It is like a beauty makeup lover's dream. Isn't that right, Romeo? My dog thinks that this box is for him. You've had your box already, baby. This one's not for you. This one's for Mama, okay? He just wants some attention, y'all. I don't know anything that's in this box. I don't know anything. I haven't seen any spoilers or anything. So I don't know what's in here. So this is going to be a surprise for me, all right? And let's open her up. And it looks like Ricky's changed their logo also. This is the logo used. This is the logo what it looks like on the box, but this is the logo on the card right here. Ricky's Cold Crushes. Looks like the theme is Heat Wave. And here's everything on the other side there. I don't think there's prices, but it tells you everything that you get. By the way, oftentimes with Ricky's, you do get full-size products, if I haven't said that already. This is heavily padded, which is nice. You can see the padding right there. They always take great care with their packaging, and I do like that. First things first is I got this sheet mask, the Eau de Rose sheet mask, rose water infused. Nice packaging on that. See that there? Here's the other side of the sheet mask. You guys know I love me some sheet masks. I use them all the time. And yeah, this does not tell me how much it is, but you can get this from the Ricky's website, I'm sure. And we also got, this is nice packaging, the oh my god pulling gel double dare. What is this? It's got strawberries on it, whatever it is. You see it says oh my god. I want one of these headbands. So I know the company is OMG. They sell these headbands somewhere. Hopefully at Ricky's. You see that little strawberry on her nose? I wonder if this is for your pores. It says double dare on it. I kind of like the packaging. There's the other side right there. See that? Double dare. What are you? Oh my god, skincare. Blackhead pulling gel. That's what I thought. That's why that strawberry is on her nose. This is a blackhead pulling gel. So if you have you want to get rid of some blackheads, then you need to use this. There's strawberry seeds in here that remove blackheads and from your nose and whatnot. So that's cool to get that. I don't have too many blackheads, I don't think. So we'll see. All right, what's this? These are some hair clips, it looks like. These are the No Crease Ricky Care hair clips. I like getting things from Ricky Care, all right? That's nice. Here's the other side. Oftentimes in these boxes, you will get one thing from Ricky Care, and that's just their brand of, items. I don't know how much this is, but these are non-crease clips, and they're for your hair, to pin your hair back. I could use these when, you're doing your makeup or whatever, or washing your face. Pin your hair back, so that's nice, and they're non-creasing. Oh, we got here from Ella and Milla. Love. This is some nail polish in the color Wild About You. Like that. And this is a nice bright pink color. I love elephants. Elephant is my sorority mascot. So I'm partial to elephants. There's nothing on there, but I love this because there's an elephant on it. So already this is my favorite thing in the box because I love it. Because I am a sucker for packaging. I have one more thing. 1, 2, 3. I have one more thing in here. Yeah. This is from Girl Attack Beauty. This is the matte lip paint in the color Posh. Nice packaging. Looks like that there. Looks like that there. And the color is Posh. I've received some things from Girl Attack before, and I do like them. Let's see here. Anything about this? Nope. It says that it's lightweight and it doesn't crack. I'll have to try this out and see how it does. It's a nude brown color, which is nice. You guys know I like brown nudes, so that's nice right there. It's showing off kind of light on the camera, but it is like a brown nude color. It smells like nothing. And that's what it looks like there. That's going to be nice over a dark lip liner. Alright, my friends, that's everything in my Ricky's box. I'm happy with it. Let's go ahead and recap, shall we? From Girl Attack Beauty, I got the matte lip paint. From, oh my god, the pulling gel, the double dare that will get rid of my blackheads and whatnot. My favorite, I think, out of this box is from Ella and Milla Love. This Wild About You nail polish because of the elephant. And from Ricky Care, I got these hair clips that I use often every time, like I said, I do my makeup or wash my face or whatever. I'm always clip my bangs back. And then from Eau de Rose, this is from Jean Pierre. This is the Eau de Rose sheet mask, mask infused with rose water. And that is everything in my Ricky's Cult Crushes box for August 2018. Have you used these products before? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. If you are not subscribed, do that because I'm close to getting 1,000 subscribers. When I get there, there will be a giveaway, and I'll let you know what that is when I reach that threshold. But I need your help. You got to help a sister out, okay? Help me, help you. That's how we do it here. Anyway, I'm going to go now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye, and have a fantastic day.
넌 나고 난 나